Sa gitna ng pagdinig tungkol sa prangkisa ng SMNI, pinasight in contempt at dinetain sa Kamara si dating Undersecretary Lorraine Badoy at kapwa-anchor nito sa programa. Saksi si JP Soriano.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng pagdinig ng Committee on Legislative Franchises ng House of Representatives na may kinalaman sa prangkisa ng Sunshine Media Network International o SMNI, pinasight in contempt at ipinadetain ang anchor at host ng SMNI na si Ka Eric Celis. Tumanggi kasi si Celis sa sagutin ng mga tanong ng komite kung sino ang kanyang source sa sinasabi niyang 1.8 billion pesos travel funds ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez na kalaunan ay inamin ding hindi pa niya nabeberipika.
In the absence of competent legal advice and assistance previously, may be granted to be stricken off the record because I believe my constitutional rights were violated. Point of order. The answer and manifestation of Mr. Celes is out of order. Mr. He is out of order because you cannot dictate in this house and you cannot move. Only members of you ask members of this house. Yes, I am explaining. No, I am not moving. No, your manifestation is out of order. I am requesting. Do not lecture us. No, I am not lecturing. I am standing up for my right. Mr. I am standing up for my right. Remember, we might cite you in contempt. Then so be it. Your Honor, you challenge us.
Motion of the Honorable Johnny Pimentel. So the Sergeant of Arms is hereby directed to enforce the decision of this committee.
Mr. Chair, can I make a comment, Mr. Chair?
Session suspended. Attorney Tolentino.
Thank you for this kind of report.
Session suspended.
Thank you for this kind of report. Thank you for this kind of report.
Nang wala na si Celis, ang co-host naman niya sa programa na si dating Undersecretary Lorraine Badoy ang kinuwestiyon kaugnay sa mga magkakahiwalay na reklamo at kasong ibinabato sa kanya na may kaugnayan sa umano'y pagkakalat niya ng mali at mapanirang impormasyon.
Accused Arroyo of being a member of the CPP-NPA NDA producing documentaries and participating in activities detrimental to government efforts. Si former Vice President Leni Robredo claiming that she has an alliance with communists. Meron po kayong ebidensya na nagpapatunay na si former Vice President Leni Robredo ay may alyansa sa komunista because you released this statement and accused her of conniving with communists. Because if you cannot prove or you cannot present evidence, then clearly this is a testimony that indeed Lorraine Badoy and Ka Eric is spreading false information which is a violation of Section 4. Hindi ko po yan personal na opinion. Pero kayo po ang nag-disseminate ng information na yun. It could be the stand of the government, but kayo po ang nag-air ng akusasyon na yun na si Robredo ay may alyansa sa komunista. Hindi po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, because that was part of my job.
So in short po, ginamit po din yung plataforma ng SMNI to spread false information. Hindi po ba?
Mr. Chair.
Because according to you, hindi galing sa inyo eh. So did you verify the report?
Mr. Chair, that came from the National Task Force LCAP, and that was our official stand.
Kinuwestiyon din ni Navotas Representative Toby Tiangco ang proseso ng pag-uulat ng SMNI na hindi umano sang-ayon sa alituntunin ng patas na pamamahayag at labag sa alituntunin ng kanilang prangkisa.
Why are you not policing your ranks to ensure na fair and balanced ang reporting ng inyong prangkisa?
Ang naging, so my personal answer, Mr. Chair, ang naging buhay ko nung sumali ako sa gobyerno, my short stint in government, ay talagang tapusin ang CPP, NPA, NDF.
Pinasight in contempt din at dinetene si Badoy dahil sa sagot ng matalakay ang pagiging producer at hatian sa kita. Sabi ng ilang kongresista, nagsisinungaling umano si Badoy. Ayon kay Badoy, ikinalulungkot niya ang desisyon ng komite pero tatanggapin niya raw ito. Para sa GMA Integrated News, JP Soriano ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, sama-sama tayong maging saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube. Para sa mga kapuso abroad, samahan niyo kami sa GMA Pinoy TV at sa www.gmanews.tv.